everyone. Here's Marcel from Coinix. Coinix is a blockchain investment firm based in Hamburg, and we make it possible for everyone to have exposure to digital assets through publicly listed shares. Here I am at RB Link, one of the side events of EthCC in Cannes, and the Arbitrum community have gathered here. I have Alejandro right next to me, the co-founder of Sale, one of the companies that we have invested a year ago, and we're very satisfied of this investment. So Alejandro, it's great to have you here.
Thank you so much for the invite, the interview, and yeah, happy to chat for a while.
Perfect. First, let me know, what do you think about EthCC? How is the conference this year?
I think it's less crowded than other years, but I think that's positive. When the market is not that good, I think that real builders are kind of shown more. So yeah, I think I'm enjoying my time here and looking forward for the next couple of days.
Yeah, I would say less quantity, higher quality, right?
Exactly.
And for the audience who don't know your project, would you please explain what is Sale? What do you do at Sale?
Yeah, so at Sale, we are building DeFi agents. The first agent that we built was a stablecoin yield agent. So it's a way to deposit stablecoins, and there is an AI agent that is going to work for you to get you the best risk-adjusted yield. We also run security agents in the background. So if there is a hack, if there is any malicious event, the agent is going to protect your capital. And since we launched, we have done more than 500 million in a stablecoin volume. We have outperformed the whole Vault market, all the lending protocols, and we have also some news to share, but maybe we can keep it for later.
Yeah, I would say agentic finance is one of the new hypes. Everyone are interested in it. We have also invested in 3 projects at Coinix which are focused in this area. Now, the last interview that we did was around, I guess, a few months ago. Can you tell me what has happened during the past few months? Is any updates, partnerships, anything that you want to share with our community?
Yeah, so since then, we became the first agent to conduct autonomous swaps and bridges in a non-custodial way in the world. Also, we launched the euro, so we don't only offer yielding USD stablecoins, but also in euro stablecoins. We are in the closed beta for API SDK, so this means that every neobank wallet can integrate our services and launch these agents for all of their users. And yeah, we are looking forward for a release in the next couple of months related to the permission layer.
Cool. Very excited to see what Sale is going to achieve in the future. If you had 1 million euros to invest, where would you put your money?
I think diversification is key, and cash is key during this time. So it's important to keep a portion of your money liquid and generating yield. I would put a part of my capital in Sale. And then I think there is a lot of value in DeFi right now. So you can buy great DeFi protocols and projects like Hyperliquid, Morpho, Sky at good prices. So I would invest in these projects. I would keep investing for a while. I wouldn't say put all of your money in one buy. You can keep buying progressively. So I think that's the value. That's what I would do, invest in good, decent projects with great metrics and keep a portion generating nice yield for me.
I totally agree. Keeping a diverse portfolio is the key to make sure that it's going to be profitable in the long run.
Yeah.
So tell me, bearish or bullish in 2026? What do you think?
In 2026?
Yeah.
Well, I think that for the next couple of quarters, we may chop a little bit. But I'm bullish at the end of 2026. I think that BTC is not going to remain at these prices for so long. Particularly these DeFi projects that I'm mentioning are going to perform really well. So yeah, I would say I'm bullish, yeah.
What category of the blockchain industry do you think is the new hype that everybody are focusing on?
Well, I think that privacy is a new topic right now. Blockchains are obviously public ledgers. Privacy, I would say, is something interesting with projects like Sama because you can create private transactions. It's a base for freedom, I would say. So privacy and also this connection between DeFi and AI, I think those are the most interesting sectors right now. Yeah.
I've actually asked this question from 5 people at EthCC, and everyone said privacy. Thank you. So that it is. Privacy is a new trend. Which categories do you think will die out in the next 2 years?
Well, I think the explosion of agents. I think that we are going to stop using that much apps in our phone, several apps for several processes, and we are going to start using agents that can do stuff for us. Also, I think that the UI of the applications that we are using is going to change a lot. Probably it's not like the human trying to interact directly with the apps, it's the agent working for you in the background. So I think that agents are going to be like the great topic and the great word for the next 2 years in technology.
In the last few years, many people have lost their hopes in the crypto world and they have given up. What gives you the motivation to stay in this industry?
I mean, I think that it's obvious if you try to go a little bit deeper and understand the technology that crypto and DeFi are superior technologies in financial terms than what we have in the banking sector. There is another thing which, I mean, it's a good framing, which is that AI, it's an abundance technology, right? You can create anything with AI. But blockchain, it provides a scarcity, digital scarcity. I think the connection and the synergies between the two are going to be obvious. And you need blockchain technology to kind of provide that scarcity in a world where everything is abundant.
You are one of the builders at the crypto industry at the moment. What is the hardest part of being a builder in the crypto industry?
First, you have to deal with a lot of regulatory stuff because there is no regulatory clarity basically anywhere. You have this cyclical process with the market. So when there is a bull market, everyone is bullish in crypto and want to join crypto and it's interested in crypto. And what is a bear market is the opposite. This is not true for AI because, of course, AI doesn't have tokens or assets in which you can invest for now. So I think those two are the most critical aspects. I would add a third one, which may be the fact that you are dealing with money most of the times, and that's delicate, right? You need to be careful. You need to audit your code, whatever you are launching.
Is there anything else that you want to share with our audience?
Well, yes. I mean, our product is live. You can go to sell.money, try it out. The minimum deposit is $100 or 100 euros. So just try it out, give us feedback, get involved with the community.
Yeah, you can find all the information of sale in the description below. Thank you so much for this interview. We wish you all the luck and we're looking forward to all the future milestones that sale is going to achieve, and have a great day.